Hello, all. Good morning and good evening. This is Kiran Edupuganti from at Automation channel. Um, this is the next session that I'm going to cover from my channel. I think past few weeks I could not deliver the sessions due to personal commitments. Now I'm back to work and I'm going to the deliver a few sessions as per my plan of action. Okay, without further delay, let me start the channel intro and followed by the subsequent short sessions on the plan topic. Okay, so in this one I'm not going to give overview on the channel, but I'll walk through just pick URLs so that you can navigate whenever you wanted to see about my channel, whoever is not subscribed yet. Okay, it's very simple, and you have to give the / trigger by automation. So you'll be end up on this particular channel. So you can see total. You can go through my description and the channel. The introduction that you can get it. And also we have the blog, the Medium blog, that you can go through my previous stories and get to know about the stories that I have the published, so that you'll get an idea about my the delivery. And also recently in the past, I think in the month of October, I have extensively delivered the King AI from the Lambda test site. This is the beta, the program that I have involved and I have delivered, and all my the blog and all my video content got in the winner list. So that was my first recognition from the YouTube channel. So you can get to know apart from my professional, and you get to know about my work on the latest the trends and how I bring up my experience on the platform. Okay, so that's about you can get all the so key areas that are required to the workforce in their their day-to-day the professional development activities. Okay, so that's about my channel introduction, and you can go through in detail and get to know about my channel, so that it will be useful and going forward. And I'm not going to end up this particular channel for a certain amount of duration. It's going to continue as long as I'm in this particular field. Okay, so, and I'm not going to give any hype on any of the topics. Whatever the relevant the topic that I choose, I will try to map to the the professional activities, so that whoever is getting into their field, this particular field, they can effectively, confidently execute their development activities. That's my intention. Okay, so, and also in the next ventures I'm going to deliver a few digital products. So as soon as those are ready, I'm going to publish as well, so that in various digital platforms, so that you can go through those content and get ready to the upcoming challenges. Okay, so that's all about me, and that's all about the channel, and let's get into the today's topic. Okay, that's all about the channel introduction, and I'll get back to you in the next session. Thank you.